In the realm of Eldoria, where the whispering winds carried tales of old, a new chapter unfolded with King Edmund and Queen Amara at the helm. Their reign was marked by an era of prosperity, but a mysterious prophecy cast a shadow over the kingdom, foretelling a challenge that only their true heir could overcome. As the years passed, the royal couple was blessed with a daughter named Heir. The prophecy, etched in ancient scrolls, hinted that she held the key to Eldoria's destiny. On her 16th birthday, Heir was entrusted with a magical amulet that glowed with the essence of the kingdom's legacy. Guided by the words of the prophecy, Heir embarked on a quest to uncover the hidden truths of Eldoria. Alongside her loyal companions, a skilled archer named Orion and a wise sorcerer named Seraphina, Heir journeyed through enchanted forests, crossed mystical rivers, and faced trials that tested her courage. The trio discovered forgotten relics and deciphered cryptic riddles that led them to the Oracle's Grove. There, the ancient oracle revealed the nature of the impending challenge. A mythical creature known as the Shadow Serpent threatened to engulf Eldoria in darkness. And only Heir could wield the amulet's power to banish the shadows. As the day of reckoning neared, Heir faced moments of doubt and fear. Yet, drawing strength from the teachings of her parents and the spirit of Eldoria, she confronted the Shadow Serpent in a climactic battle. With the amulet ablaze, Heir channeled the kingdom's enduring virtues, unity, wisdom, and kindness, into a radiant force that dispersed the shadows. Eldoria, bathed in the glow of victory, celebrated the triumphant return of Heir. The prophecy fulfilled, she emerged not only as a ruler but as a symbol of hope and resilience. The amulet, now a beacon of light, stood as a testament to the enduring legacy of Eldoria, carried forward by a new generation. As Heir ascended the throne, the kingdom flourished under her benevolent rule. The tales of her quest echoed through the realm, inspiring generations to come. Eldoria's destiny, once clouded in uncertainty, now shone brightly as a beacon of unity and everlasting prosperity.